In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to FlipGrid through Canvas and how to upload a video. For our FlipGrid assignments, you are always going to go through the Canvas app. You're not going to open the FlipGrid app. You're going to go through Canvas first. When you open a FlipGrid assignment in Canvas, you're going to click the Launch External Tool button, and that will take you to this screen. To record a response, press the red Record a Response button on the FlipGrid page. When you click that button, this will pop up, and you're going to want to press Open in App. And that's going to automatically open the app for you. To record a video, you're going to want to press the red camera button. You can change the filters or add images, anything you want to be creative, as long as it's appropriate for school. When you're done creating your video, click the green Next button. That's going to take you to the selfie page. Click the red button to take a selfie, and then you need to add your name to your response and click Submit. And that's how you record a FlipGrid video response.